If you're wondering which BaseCamp is right for you, this video will help you out. To start with, all of the units that we build have the BaseCamp core technology inside. That's a telephone system with a single inbound number, also an internet router for internet capacity, of course, with dual SIM cards and also satellite capability, and also a radio interoperability module that can connect either 2 or 5 different radio networks together. All of our units don't need a computer to operate, and there's no complex training that's needed to operate the units either. All also come with a 24/7 helpline from BaseCamp should you have any questions on how to operate or if you want to do changes to your BaseCamp unit. So let's see all three with the differences and decide which one's right for you. The BaseCamp Lite is the tactical go kit that enables around 10 people to work with the unit on the telephone system. The router is standard, so you can have up to 64 IP addresses, 64 computers or telephones or tablets. Anything that has an IP address can work on that unit. And the radio interoperability, for the moment, there's only 2 that are available. So that's the start kit. It's about 30 pounds in weight, comes in a Pelican case, a little bit like a carry-on luggage that you would put on a plane, and it's our simplest version. There is an option for a 12-volt battery that you can put in if it's something that you'd be interested in. If we go to the BaseCamp EM, it's a little bit larger in weight, in size, and in capacity. You could go up to 20 people using the telephone lines. You can have up to 64 IP addresses, again, on the router, but we can switch that router so you accommodate up to 128 users if you're going to be heavy users of internet. There's also the radio interoperability part that allows you to have either 2 or 5 radio interoperability modules with the BaseCamp EM, and there's also a battery pack that comes with the unit. Finally, the BaseCamp MIL, that one is really more for the military and not necessarily for disaster relief. That one will have, again, up to 20 people that can work on the telephone system. IP addresses can go up to 128, that's the rugged router is standard on that version. 5 radio interrupt module is standard on that version, and there's also ingenious Duraphones that are 2-way radios and extensions of the telephone systems that come with that unit. It also has a 24-port Cisco switch and a battery pack standard. If you have any questions on which one's right for you and the price point from each of the units, give us a call or contact us via email and we'll be glad to help you out.